Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. Solve the following. 3,09,947 decimeter to meter. We have to convert this. We know 1 decimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 meters. So 3,09,947 decimeter will be equal to 3,09,947 divided by 10 meters. So we simply put a decimal point after 4. So we get 30,994.7 meters. So this is the conversion. 3,09,947 decimeters is equal to 30,994.7 meters. This is the answer.